Hi, I'm Len from Reliance Foundry, and today we're going to do one of our typical bollard installations. So we recommend that you keep the bollard in its packaging for as long as possible but prior to installation to avoid any opportunities of damage to the surface of the bollard and thus issues with rusting. Ensure that the pipe that you're installing over is in a clean and usable condition and ready to go. Please take care when installing the bollard as to not cause any damage, and if you need so, you can receive assistance from others. So next would be the washer and the nut. And keep in mind that all the bollards can vary in regards to the different type of pipe, size of pipe, and height of pipe. So check with the travel documents that you received with your product. Now he's going to snug the bollard up a little bit. He's also ensured that it is plumb. You don't need to over tighten here because it's not critical. Next, we install the cap on the bollard, remove it from its packaging. Next, with the cap installation, you have the 3 set screws to install. Ensure that all the set screws are installed evenly so that it keeps the bollard cap centered. After installing the set screws, please use the plastic plugs provided. As an accessory to our bollards, most of our bollards come with the option of chain eyes and chain as well. And so he's going to tighten up the chain on the chain eye here with our connecting link. When doing so, we recommend that you use a tool that has a covered edge so to protect the finish of the actual link. When installing the chain eyes, we recommend that you orient the chain eyes in the direction to the next bollard so everything looks clean and correct. Okay, and as a final last step, you just want to ensure that the bollard has got no damage or abrasions created from the installation. And if you do have any problems or issues, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.